Namaste, Assalamualaikum, Sat Sri Akal, and good afternoon. My name is Lakshman Chandani, son of Advocate Vasdev. I am here to tell you about topic cell division. So let's start. Cell division is a process in which cell gets divided and two cells are formed from one cell. This is the figure which I had made for you. One cell is divided into two cells and two cells are divided into four cells. Cell divisions happens for the growth. It can happen into three parts: mitosis, meiosis. Cell division happens for the apricot, baby, adult, old dies. In a day, one cell divides into 3 trillion cells. Mitosis. It happens in bacteria and in unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms are those organisms that are made up of one cell. And blue-green algae also. It is a biological plant. In it, first nucleus divides and then cytoplasm divides. Now mitosis. This happens in multicellular organisms. Mitosis happens in unicellular organisms that are made up of only one cell. But mitosis happens in multicellular organisms like human beings, which are made up of many cells. First it was seen by Wilfred Harming and he gave the name mitosis cell division in 1879, and first cell division was seen through Bichon in 1955. Mitosis cell division is also known as somatic cell division because it happens in somatic cell. And in this cell division we have two phases. One is interphase and second is M phase. M phase means mitosis phase. So if we first take the interphase, so interphase consumes 95% in a day in total time. So in M phase mitosis are made. So in interphase we can divide the cell into 3 parts and 15 phases. These are the 3 parts. G1 phase means gap 1 phase, S phase synthesis phase, G2 phase gap 2 phase. In gap 1 phase means G1 phase. In this phase all organelles means the part inside the cell are replicate and cytoplasmic chemicals are replicate. They are formed. And in S phase synthesis phase the DNA replicates in nucleus and centriole, which makes the food of cell, replicates in cytoplasm. In this all organelles are made, and in this in nucleus DNA formed and in centriole formed in cytoplasm. In G2 phase means gap 2 phase. In this phase proteins are made to form mitosis. Means in this phase energy is formed to make mitosis. So now this phase is called mitosis phase, and there are more than 5 phases in mitosis phase, which is known as M phase. First is prophase, second is metaphase, third is anaphase, fourth is telophase, and fifth is cytokinesis. In prophase the nucleus bursts and the chromosomes are released in one cell. In metaphase the chromosome comes in line and centriole comes opposite of each other. In anaphase the chromosomes made a line between this one cell and they get released. In telophase both side nucleus is formed and chromosomes are inside the nucleus, and from one cell the second cell is formed. So this is the process when cell division happens. So the collection of cells is called tissue. Cell division happens and when many tissues combine together, so a tissue is formed, and many tissues combine together so they form an organ. Like all the 5 major parts of human body organ is brain, heart, lungs, liver and kidneys. When many organs form a same function, means their function is changed but they work like a team, so they make an organ system. There are many organ systems like respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system and etc. And when our system works, so finally a apricot is formed, and from apricot through cell division a baby is formed. From baby an adult is formed. From adult an old is formed, and then he dies. Thanks. And as we know that there is very dangerous virus called corona, so please sanitize your hand after and please stay at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks.